And you'll notice whether you're using Solid Edge or SolidWorks that CAMWorks actually runs 100% inside through the feature manager tree or through a task pane, depending upon which CAD system you're using. So for us, we're going to be looking at SolidWorks, and we'll be looking at this actual casted part that you see here on the right. Now, the understanding of using a tool like SolidWorks or Solid Edge is generally in the feature manager design tree over here on the left. The rule is you just start at the top and you work your way down. So as you work through designing your part on the left hand side, you'll see pieces and how the part was built and how it was brought together and what order everything functions in. With CAMWorks, we actually follow that similar process, and one of the ways that we do that is we start with the CAMWorks feature tree versus the SolidWorks or Solid Edge feature tree. In SolidWorks, it's actually this little tab right here, and you'll see that there's a list very similar to what you would see in the CAD tool. It's just applied directly to the machining portion of what we do. So with this, we'll go ahead and we'll just do a little explanation of how the tree actually works. At the top, you'll see there's an option for configurations. CAMWorks does understand configurations. So if you were to have a SolidWorks part, for example, with 100 different configurations, CAMWorks will automatically pick up on those and recognize them, and you can write programs for each one of those 100 configurations. The other benefit of that is if you draw one part to begin with and you program it in CAMWorks and then you go start adding configurations, CAMWorks will automatically try to add and adapt the toolpaths that you have to those configurations. It's a pretty powerful tool when you're doing automation in that form.